Research has repeatedly shown that a positive mindset isn't just good for your mood. It can literally add years to your life. Centenarians, those who live to 100 or beyond, often share this trait, approaching life with hope and optimism even in the face of challenges. Studies suggest that positivity reduces the harmful effects of stress, which is linked to chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Beyond genetics, their ability to find joy in small moments and maintain strong social connections plays a crucial role in their long, healthy lives. Gratitude is a cornerstone of this mindset. Many centenarians practice thankfulness daily, whether through journaling, reflection, or simply appreciating their surroundings. This habit shifts focus away from negativity, fostering emotional resilience. Social engagement also matters. Staying connected with family, friends, or community groups provides emotional support and combats loneliness, a known risk factor for cognitive decline. Experts highlight resilience as another key factor. Centenarians often view setbacks as temporary and surmountable, bouncing back with adaptability. This mental flexibility helps them navigate life's ups and downs without prolonged stress. Cultivating these habits, gratitude, social bonds, and resilience, can benefit anyone, proving that a positive outlook is a powerful tool for longevity and overall well-being. Centenarians consistently demonstrate the profound impact of a nutrient-rich, balanced diet on longevity. Their eating habits often revolve around whole, unprocessed foods, plenty of vegetables, fruits, legumes, and lean proteins like fish or poultry. The Mediterranean diet, abundant in olive oil, nuts, and whole grains, and the Okinawan diet, emphasizing sweet potatoes, leafy greens, and soy, are two well-studied dietary patterns among the longest-lived populations. These diets prioritize high-fiber intake, which supports gut health and digestion, while healthy fats, such as omega-3s and monounsaturated fats, help reduce inflammation and protect the heart. Beyond food choices, mindful eating plays a crucial role. Centenarians tend to eat slowly, savoring meals without distractions, which can prevent overeating and improve metabolism. Portion control is another common practice. Many follow the Okinawan principle of hara hachibu, stopping when 80% full. Studies show that these dietary habits contribute to lower rates of chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Experts also point to the social aspect of meals in these communities, as sharing food with loved ones enhances both mental and physical well-being. Ultimately, moderation and quality of ingredients prove far more important than restrictive dieting for achieving a long, healthy life. Physical activity isn't just about intense workouts. For centenarians, it's about incorporating movement into daily life in sustainable ways. Many of the world's oldest individuals prioritize activities like walking, gardening, or Tai Chi, practices that are gentle on the joints yet effective in maintaining mobility. These low-impact exercises help preserve muscle strength, flexibility, and coordination, which are crucial for preventing falls and sustaining independence well into old age. The key isn't intensity but consistency. Even short daily routines can yield long-term health benefits. Beyond physical health, movement plays a significant role in mental well-being. Regular activity stimulates blood flow to the brain, supports cognitive function, and may even reduce the risk of dementia. Centenarians often describe their daily walks or gardening sessions as moments of joy and reflection, underscoring the connection between physical activity and emotional balance. Adapting activities to individual abilities is also vital. Whether it's chair exercises for those with limited mobility or leisurely strolls for others, experts agree that finding enjoyable ways to stay active fosters longevity by keeping both the body and mind engaged. The lesson is clear: movement, no matter how small, is a cornerstone of a long, vibrant life.